5 AI upgrades every veteran founder must make by 2030 before AI crushes legacy playbooks. Pre-2022 rules built empires. AI just shattered them. Retailers, consultants, manufacturers, reinvent now or fade. Entrepreneurs can't run on pre-2022 playbooks anymore. AI's relentless pace demands total reinvention, especially for 20-30-year veterans who've mastered traditional business across retail, consulting, manufacturing, services, or hospitality. The pre-2022 world is dead. Before 2022, entrepreneurship followed reliable patterns. Retail owners built loyal customer bases through local ads and word of mouth, stocking shelves based on gut feel and seasonal trends. Consultants relied on Rolodex networks, crafting personalized pitches over coffee meetings. Manufacturers fine-tuned production lines with experienced floor managers watching every machine. Service businesses like plumbers or accountants cold-called from phone books, following up manually via notepad reminders. Hospitality pros filled rooms through travel agents and printed flyers. Success rested on attention as currency. Social media amplified reach for free. Marketplaces like Amazon handled distribution. Cheap labor scaled operations. Thin margins? No problem amid predictable growth. Your decades of honed instincts crushed newcomers. Then AI arrived uninvited. Bots generate endless content, drowning human voices. Search engines now answer questions directly. No clicks to your site. Platforms prioritize their AI-generated feeds over yours. What took teams weeks, inventory forecasts, pitch decks, supplier negotiations, customer follow-ups, happens in seconds. Customers face infinite choices. Loyalty evaporates overnight. AI's acceleration toward 2030. Today, in 2026, we're mid-tsunami. Agentic AI agents run entire workflows autonomously. For retailers, they predict stockouts using sales patterns and weather data. Consultants get AI-drafted proposals tailored from client histories. Manufacturers deploy predictive maintenance spotting machine failures days ahead. Service pros use bots for instant quotes. Hospitality sees dynamic pricing adjusting room rates by demand spikes. Expect 40% operational cost drops and 53% faster decisions enterprise-wide. AI startups explode. 69% more founders launching, but 90% crash on shaky foundations like rented algorithms or commoditized skills. By 2030, multimodal AI fuses voice, video, and data seamlessly. Imagine a retailer's AI analyzing live store cams, customer chats, and global trends to reorder instantly. Quantum computing adds edges for complex simulations in manufacturing. Change won't slow, adapt, or vanish. Why veterans must unlearn first. Your superpower, deep industry know-how, is now quicksand. Those 2010s efficiencies, manual checklists, trusted vendors, long sales cycles, clash with AI's blink speed demands. Corporate habits like endless meetings or departmental silos kill agility. Unlearn ruthlessly. Perfectionism trap. Ship weekly prototypes using no-code builders. A retailer tests new pricing in one store. Iterate from data, not debates. Automate simple tasks. Email reminders for consultants. Stock alerts for shops. Global networks. Join indie hackers, industry Slack groups, Reddit forums. Learn chaos pilot mindsets from younger founders. Your experience, plus their speed, equals rocket fuel. 5 critical upgrades for 2030 survival. Systematically rebuild your business. Upgrade 1. Data sovereignty. Own unique datasets as your unbreakable moat. Retail. Log every buyer preference, return reason, peak hours, train custom predictors, no competitor matches. Consultant. Archive client outcomes, objections overcome. Result: AI personalized at scale, turning generics into uncopyable you. Upgrade 2. Hybrid human AI teams. Automate 80% grunt work. Humans shine in empathy zones. Manufacturer example: AI sensors flag equipment wear. Technicians focus on creative fixes. Service Pro: bots qualify leads. 24/7. You deliver trusted handshakes. Train everyone on prompt basics. No PhDs needed. Upgrade 3. Sovereign distribution. Escape platform dependency. Retailer: launch DTC site with owned email SMS lists. Amazon can't deprioritize you. Hospitality: custom booking app bypasses booking.com fees. Consultant: client portal for self-serve resources. Tools make it plug and play. Upgrade 4. Margin machines. Engineer premium pricing through defensibility. Food business patents. Unique recipes. Consulting bundles. AI audits as exclusives. Shift to recurring. Memberships for VIP tips. Subscription boxes for retailers. AI handles fulfillment. You pocket fatter cuts. Upgrade 5. Continuous experiment engine. Weekly ritual. Test one new approach. Kill one obsolete process. Retail: AI dynamic pricing boosts margins 15%. Track globally via simple dashboards. Fail fast. Compound wins. Proven tools to power your upgrades. These hidden gems work across industries. No tech degree required. AdCreative.ai. Retailer uploads product photo, generates 20 ad variants. ROS jumps 25%. Pictory. Consultant records talk. Auto edits 10 client clips. Weeks saved. Fireflies.ai. Manufacturer summarizes supplier calls, uncovers 15% savings. Instantly.ai. Plumber scales 100 tailored pitches, replies triple. Cast Magic. Hospitality turns promo script into 50 posts emails. 11 Labs. Retailer creates multilingual staff training videos. Design for Scalable 2030. Build sellable from day one. AI-powered business, documented SOPs, recurring revenue. Acquirers crave founder-optional machines. AI doesn't replace grit, it multiplies it. Your decades navigating recessions? Pure gold when augmented. By 2030, adapters rule every sector. Unlearn yesterday. Upgrade today. Which upgrade starts with you?